Introduced in 2014, the Grom from Honda is a compact bike with sport bike styling, 2-up capabilities if you don't mind having the Fred-Flintstone to take off, has amazing fuel economy, and offers a little something more for folks who might consider a scooter in this size range. Marketed in other countries as the MSX 125, the Motrac M3, and the Skyteam M3, the Grom is a spunky little being the operative word here, motorcycle, good for folks new to two wheels or for anyone else who wants a fun ride. It's not fast, but that's not the point. I know folks call this a monkey bike. I don't share that opinion. The original monkey bikes were Honda Z-Series bikes, small, almost toy-like, mini bikes from the 70s and 80s. They had 50cc engines, fat 5-inch tires and a seat height of about 22 inches. With handlebars that pulled the rider forward in the low seat and splayed the knees out at comical angles, riders were said to look like monkeys atop the little bikes. The thick tires of the Grom might be reminiscent of the old Z-Series bikes, but that's about where the resemblance stops. 12-inch tires, while still small for a motorcycle, are a lot bigger than the Z-Series tires, and a 30-inch seat height isn't going to splay anyone's knees unless you're really tall. The Grom is more like an in-between that crosses a scooter into motorcycle territory, like a street-legal pit bike, or you can call it a mini bike on steroids. In either case, I wouldn't call it a monkey bike. That being said, Honda has dressed up their little Grom in 2017, giving it more aggressive styling and a new LED headlight that was carried over to 2018. The Grom gets phenomenal gas mileage, but before you run out to get one as a commuter, know that even at top speed, you won't be heading on the interstate and you might not be safe on a busy highway. Sure, around town is great, but the lightweight and low power could get you sucked under a truck the first time you get caught in the slipstream. I'm not saying don't get one as a commuter, I'm just saying be realistic and look at your planned route to work. Being a small, lightweight bike has its pros and cons. Pro: it's easy to find a place to park. It's so small it tucks in just about anywhere. Con: it's so small and light, you almost have to treat it like a bicycle and chain it to a pole lest someone come along and toss it in the back of a pickup and steal it while you're out of sight. Yes, it's that light. If you're considering a Grom instead of a scooter, keep in mind that the only storage you have on the Grom is whatever you can bungee to the pillion or carry in a backpack. A scooter usually has ample storage, but the Grom will handle better at speed. You decide which is more important.